Want to add an extra layer of security to your Google Wallet? Locking it with your fingerprint ensures that only you can access your payment methods and passes. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily set up fingerprint lock for your Google Wallet. To enable fingerprint lock, open the Google Wallet app on your Android smartphone. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon, usually in the top corner, to access your settings. Look for Privacy and Security or Security Settings. Within the security settings, you should see an option for biometric authentication, fingerprint unlock, or require device unlock. Toggle this option on. Your phone might then prompt you to confirm your existing fingerprint or screen lock. Finally, once enabled, every time you open Google Wallet, it will require your fingerprint or other device unlock method to access your cards and passes. This adds significant protection to your financial information within the app. And there you have it. Locking Google Wallet with your fingerprint enhances your security. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.